Oh snap, dude. One just picked mine up.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Dang, look how high I have to bring this thing. Alright, I'm gonna just set the hook, dude, because I can't reel him after this. Yeah, he's on there. Oh, I think it's something else, dude. I think it's a catfish. Yeah. It's a big one. It's a big one, dude. Oh, no, no, no. Don't get in there.
Oh, it's a big blue.
Oh.
Oh, that's a big blue.
Oh, I can't be able to get on the street right here unless he swims out of it. Bro, I'm gonna hold on to that branch right there and get him. Hold on to this.
All right.
Oh, shit. But I can get a little bit closer to on it. Here, let it go.
The rope.
Yeah. You hear something over there, dude?
One.
All right, let it go, let it go. It is.
Oh, yeah.
All right, can you come get it? All right.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh.
Got a blue. Yeah. He got in the river for him, bro. He got stuck on the tree. He got in the river.
Dude.
Woo! Hey, it's about a good 20. But it's probably, what's your PB, bro?
30.
Yeah, that's not 30.
No, it's pretty big.
Yeah, he's long.
Can you go over there and get my knife and cut this line?
Yeah, be careful, bro. We know the best that I have.
Dude, that was crazy. Dude, he's been bit by a gar. Look.
Yeah, probably pull him in.
Look at his tail right here. Look at the triangle shape right here. Right here. Look,
Bro,
it's like this.
He did get bit by a gar.
That's crazy. All right.
Bro, he got bit by.
Just reel it in a little bit.
Yeah, those are perfect prints.
Oh, he bit me. Oh, what's up, dog?
We ain't been here 10 minutes.
Let's go over there.
I told him we got a chance to catfish and go on today. Bro, he literally swam, bro. a giant, bro.
Dude.
Look at his head, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. It's a big fish for sure.
Yeah, I'm right here right now. I know you're ready for your pictures.
Oh.
Hey, let me do you some video.
Dude, I had to get in there.
I'm gonna see your third angle too, bro.
Oh, sweet.
Everything, bro. Right.
Oh. Oh, shaking.
Shaking.
Yeah, he got bit by a gar.
Smoking fish, baby.
Look at that. All the way.
Beautiful, bro.
Dude. Hell yeah.
Video?
Release?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get back over here. Bring him back over here.
We'll do another clip.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Alright, I'm ready.
He's biting me so bad. Dang, he just turned up in there. Smoking fish, baby. Check it out. All day. Let's get it again.
Let's get it, man.
Oh yeah. Oh. He's biting me really bad. Dang, he just turned up in there. I come over here and set it in. Oh shoot. Dude, I would get out of there. Damn, let me get my line out of the way. Let me get this rod out of the way for you. You got him? Maybe he'll swim out. Hopefully he'll swim out. Just keep tension on him. It's your turn to go in though, by the way. I see the line still swimming. Yeah? I'm gonna move this rod out of your way. He got one.
Yeah, catfish.
Bring him in, dog. You should be able to yank him in.
As big as the blue. Yeah, he's stuck on this tree. Rich, you want to go swimming again?
Dude, I don't know about that one right there.
My life jacket right there.
You have a life jacket. What the hell?
Yeah. Tie the rope on too.
Man.
You wet already.
You wet already. Oh. Try to bring him to the surface as much as you can.
Yeah, he's stuck right there.
Oh, he's right there. Yeah, he's right there. Oh, shit, dog. You got, is that a gar leader or catfish leader?
It's a gar leader.